Hi guys, so what happens when you combine these two kits? Now if you're like me and you go marker crazy, you went ahead and bought a bunch of different kits. I got this 120 kit at Michael's and I got this kit on Amazon. At first I got this kit and then I try to follow the papers that they give you when you order the markers, these ones. And I said to myself, oh, I have to get these complimentary kits because they say it goes with a 120. That was bad because what happened was I got like 20 colors that repeated themselves. So I actually ended up sending the 48 marker kits back and I got this 72 kit. Well, here is the result of getting this kit at Michael's and getting this 72 kit off of Amazon. Now, as you can see, it's a very, very great set to have. The only thing that you're gonna have that will be doubled is Y5, Y4 that you're gonna get twice, and in the R's you have R4 that repeats itself, R7 that repeats itself, 2 swatches of the G6, you have 2 of the BG5s, but that's it. And then obviously you're gonna have 2 blacks and 2 clears. But as you can see, if you order this 120 kit at Michael's and then you get the 72 kit, you're gonna get this very, very complete marker set.
Now let's look at these pretty babies swatched.
That's the 72 marker set. You have this swatch, these colors, and then in the 120 set, you're gonna have all of these lovely colors, and you're gonna have all of these lovely colors. So it's actually really great way to get a good and complete brush marker set of the Honolulu Series B markers. So I hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any questions or I left anything out, just write it in the comments and I will get back to you. For sure, I read all of your comments.